Today's I am is I let my light shine. I let my light shine. Never ever dim your light for anyone else. Your light is unique to the world. Whenever you dim your light, you are making yourself invisible. Let your light shine. I'm using the same brush to put this shimmer into the brow bone. There's a pretty purple shimmer. I'm going to use it. Always remember you're first. Love yourself plenty. Never ever give up on yourself. Remember today's I am. Say, I will shine. I will let my light shine. Be the light that you want to see out in the world. Be that light. I am just taking this purple and now I'm relaxing my eyes because I want to make sure it gets where it needs to. Happy 2026. Let us make each minute of 2026 count. Make each minute of 2026 count. Today's look. I am still working with the Fiery Palette by Beauty Bay. And this is a 3-color eyeshadow look. Brow bone highlight, skin color eyeshadow all over, and then this little shimmer with a dark base was just perfect. My lipstick by Milani is called I Am Powerful. I have 2 eyeliners. The bottom eyeliner, I have a purple, which is by LA Girl. And the top liner is one of the multi-chrome liners from my Ice Cream Beauty box. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you always. Please remember to hype this video. And until I see you and you see me, I'm asking you, please let your light shine. Please let your light shine. I will see you shortly. Bye.